This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download pCloud Drive. So I'm right here on the pCloud Drive main download page. You can find this page here on the URL that I'm highlighting on the screen. It's quite a long URL, so I will in fact put that as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, it will know your operating system when you come here, so it's correctly identified that I have Mac OS, which is correct. If you want the Windows version, that should highlight automatically as you come to this page. But if you're looking to download a different version, you can click on any of these. So we have it for Windows, Mac OS, there's a Linux version here if you want that, an iOS version, Android version, and then there's this add-on here for the extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, and the Brave browser. So you can get it directly on your web browser if you want to as well. That's quite handy. So I'm on a Mac. I will click right here on the download button. Obviously, if you're on Windows, you'll do the same. There's actually a few different Windows versions. They've got the XP version, a 64-bit, and a 32-bit. So you can pick your poison there. I will just click on this button for Mac, and we then redirect to this page. You'll see that the icon has just gone flying up in the right-hand corner, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has downloaded. There's instructions here on how to open the PKG file. On a Mac, you will run the installer whether you're Windows or Mac. You'll find that in your downloads location. Now this is dependent on your configuration in your browser and where your downloads actually go. Like I say, I'm on a Mac and I have Google Chrome, so it goes directly to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but you will find the installer there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download pCloud Drive useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it's really useful for us, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.